ever felt pressured by the lifestyles or beauty standards that are presented on TikTok?
I mean, yes, but not all the time because you don't really know what people do for or live that certain type of life or what come behind it. So sometimes, honestly, feel like say yeah, more want to live that kind of life, but sometimes my mind tell me say easy.
Not me personally, but I can understand for a lot of people how it's very influential to them, so it can become stressful. But I'm not easily swayed, so not me personally.
No, because each and every person have their own life, and normally on social media people like to portray a different type of lifestyle opposed to what's going on in reality. So people always try to post the glitter and the glamour and the nice side, but after that cut off now, then reality hit them, and then that's a different way of living. So no, I don't feel pressured at all.
Well, yes, basically seeing other people doing those things, like you go on to gravitate to them, like to do things where they want, because everybody wants to reach, as you can see. So I even have a lot of followers saying that would go live on TikTok to do like streaming and those things to get money and so on. So yes, I would say that.
Well, personally, no, not for me, because I know myself, but I know for a lot of young people out there who may not have experienced those kind of things, or they were lacking during their childhood years or so, they will be easily influenced, and they are going to want to gravitate to those kind of things after viewing it on TikTok.
No, not necessarily. I've never necessarily seen something on TikTok that affects me in any sense or form. But I'll see something on TikTok that I actually need to portray or even do in my own life. It's based off what you actually watch that comes up on your feed. And if you choose to be positive, then positive things will come up. If you choose to be negative, then negative things will come up. So if you want to be positive, you go for positive things that will enable you to be positive. But if you go for negative things, then that's exactly what you're going to do, and that's exactly what you're going to portray.
Of course, but I'm not going to make because of what I see out there, so I do what I see.
Why not?
No, so I'm a big man, and I have my own mind. You get what I say? And we know from life itself that not everything glitter gold. You see me? And you know say right now a man owning vehicle and thing, you don't know how him get it. And we know say most of them want to push them vehicle. Them don't really have no education, or they don't really have no inheritance or nothing then. And then get it fast and you will work all your life. They must do so. You get what I say? How them get it, most of them in their badness. You understand? Most of them probably all want a friend vehicle. You don't know what them do for do what them do. You get what I say? So I'll do a kind of pressuring because you have to live you have to live how you can afford to live, you know. You get what I say? That's why I say at the end of the day is what you're using it to do. Because if you go say social media and everything there, you have to target even music. Because it's not social media alone I do it. Music I do it, you know. Long before TikTok, I can't tell me used to listen to. I mean no bleach.
No, I never feel pressured in my life yet, but when I say yo, I have to make it one day to just like them. Because everybody have them time.
True.
Never feel so, miss. Never.
Why?
Just now have that in me, you know, miss.